I'm Mark from Blue Dye Machinery. I've been with the company for 11 years. I'm servicing the Goldfields. Over the last few days, I've travelled over 2,000 kilometres, seeing all our valued clients. Great to put a name to the face, make sure we're looking after them and anything else that we can assist with.
Hi, my name's Peter from Regis Resources, Project and Reliability Supervisor. It's been great to meet Mark out on site today and appreciate him coming out and the business relationship we have.
The reception from the customers has been awesome. The phone and Wi-Fi reception has been pretty bad around these areas. Not much signal at all. It's been great to see our clients, and I think they appreciate our effort.
So very good to see the faces behind the equipment on site. Mark's explained quite a bit with regard to the other services that you guys provide. All extensions of this, all that could help in future to reduce costs, reduce emissions.
The information that Mark provided today is really good. It's good to see them going into net zero. It'd be good to look into some of those things in the future.
We've been discussing our traditional diesel options. However, with hydrogen set to become available around the Murrin area, it's provided a great opportunity to discuss their net zero solutions, namely the EADEV and the positive impact it can have throughout the Goldfields.